Okay. So now we will discuss reduction of various functional groups by hydride ion. So can you tell me what is hydride ion? Hydride ion is ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ
H negative.
hydride
X
negative.
negative.
Okay. So we have to carry out reduction by using this hydride ion. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Reduction यही होती है ना, addition of hydrogen या removal of oxygen या lower in oxidation state or increase in oxidation state, decrease in oxidation या increase in oxidation state of product during reduction. What happens during reduction? ਜਿਹੜਾ product ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਐਟਮ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਆਕਸੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਟੇਟ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ? ਆਕਸੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਟੇਟ ਘਟ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਰਿਡਕਸ਼ਨ?
बढ़ जाती है सर।
फिर increase ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ।
increase ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ।
Sure. Reduction is a addition of electrons or a removal of electrons? Reduction is a process that you call addition of electrons or removal of electrons.
एडिशन लोअर
Addition of electrons. So ਜੇ ਅਗਰ electrons ਆਪਾਂ ਐਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਕਸੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਟੇਟ ਲੋਅਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਹਾਇਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ?
लोअर होएगी।
It will decrease.
load ਹੈ
Oxidation ਚ increase ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, reduction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ decrease ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ. Okay. So we have to carry out reduction by using this metal hydride ion. And most commonly, the source of this hydride ion are, we already discussed two, that are lithium aluminium hydride, that can this provide H negative ion for the reduction, sodium borohydride, so we can perform reduction by sodium borohydride. It can also give H minus ion, or simple borane. It can also give H minus ion for the reduction, or there's one another reagent, dibol H, so that also give hydride ion. So all these reagents, they reduce your functional group by transfer of H minus ion. And these two are most commonly used reagents, and they are mostly used in solvent THF. THF is most commonly used solvent for them. Okay. Now, out of, first of all, we will start with these two reagents, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Out of these two reagents, which reagent is more reactive?
लिथियम एल्युमिनियम
Lithium aluminum.
Lithium aluminum hydride is more reactive than sodium borohydride. Okay, lithium aluminum hydride is much more reactive than sodium borohydride. Now, whenever you, okay, if lithium aluminum hydride is more reactive, then which is more selective? Here term will come chemoselective. ਅਗਰ ਲਿਥੀਅਮ ਐਲੂਮੀਨੀਅਮ ਹਾਈਡਰਾਈਡ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਰਿਐਕਟਿਵ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਿਲੈਕਟਿਵ ਹੈ ਇਨ ਇਟਸ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ?
ਸੋਡੀਅਮ
सोडियम
ਬੋਰੋਹਾਈਡ
ਹਾਈਡਰਾਈਡ। ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖੋ, ਰਿਐਕਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਐਂਡ ਸਿਲੈਕਟਿਵਿਟੀ, they are always inversely proportional. That means ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ reagent ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ reactive ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? ਘੱਟ selective ਹੋਏਗਾ. And if it's more selective, it will be less reactive. So sodium borohydride is more selective. Is it clear?
यस सर।
ਯੈਸ ਸਰ
Another thing, whenever you perform reduction by these reducing agents, ठीक है, चाहे वो लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड है या सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड है या सिंपल बोरेन है या डाइबोल HA, you always perform reduction in absence of water. Okay, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਰਿਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਸੋਲਵੈਂਟ ਜਿਵੇਂ THF ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਟੈਟਰਾਹਾਈਡਰੋਫਿਊਰੋਨ, ਬਟ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਰੇਟਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਸੋਲਵੈਂਟ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੇ ਮਿਥਨੋਲ ਵੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਉਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਐਪਰੇਟਸ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸੋਲਵੈਂਟ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵਾਟਰ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਓਕੇ, ਵਾਟਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਵਾਈ?
ਹਾਈਡਰਾਈਡ ਆਇਨ ਰਿਐਕਟ ਕਰ ਦੇਗਾ ਨਾ ਵਾਟਰ ਨਾਲ।
Okay, what will happen? These two reagents, they are very reactive. Okay, these are ionic compounds and they are very reactive. So they will react with water. So suppose if you have a lithium aluminum hydride, it will immediately react with water to form lithium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Okay, and balance नहीं है, balance कर लेना, plus hydrogen. So your reaction will stop. So there should be absence of water. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let us discuss various reduction reactions by these reagents. So let us start with the reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reductions of carbonyl compound using sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. Now, carbonyl group, it may be aldehyde, it may be ketone, it may be ester, it may be carboxylic acid, or it may be amides. Okay. Now, sodium borohydride, since it is less reactive, so it can reduce only these two functional groups. That means sodium borohydride can reduce only aldehyde and ketone. It will not reduce these. It will not react with esters, carboxylic acid, or amides. On the other hand, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce all these groups. Okay, it's more reactive and it can reduce all these functional groups. So sodium borohydride can reduce only aldehyde and ketones, while lithium aluminum hydride can reduce all carbonyl functional groups. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us start with the reductions of aldehyde and ketones. Now I will discuss mechanism of lithium aluminum hydride, and there will be exactly same mechanism for sodium borohydride. फर्क इत्थे की है, here you have a lithium metal, here you have a sodium metal, and here you have a AlH4, here you have a BH4. Okay, all other things they will remain same. So I will discuss mechanism for lithium aluminum hydride. Now, when you have a aldehyde or ketone, okay, when you have aldehyde or ketone, so R prime may be hydrogen or any alkyl or aryl group. So when you carry out the reduction with either of these two reagents, lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride in presence of THF as a solvent. So this will get reduced, and what will be reduction product?
alcohol.
Alcohol.
Alcohol आएगी sir.
Alcohol.
Reduction product will be alcohol.
Secondary alcohol.
Alcohol. Now, can you tell me one molecule of lithium aluminum hydride can reduce how many molecules of this aldehyde or ketone?
4.
Why?
चार hydrogen है उसको.
Because lithium aluminum hydride consists of 4 hydride ion, so it can transfer 4 hydride ion. So it's one molecule, it's 1 mole can reduce 4 moles of this one. It can reduce 4 moles of this one plus aluminum hydroxide. So let's quickly look over the mechanism. Now, lithium aluminum hydride is basically an ionic compound. So it will ionized as lithium plus and AlH4 minus. Okay, so it will form these ions in solution. So when you have a AlH4 minus, that means since aluminum is a Lewis acid, it can accept pair of electrons, and when it accepts pair of electrons, here it has a negative charge. So in AlH4, since there's a negative charge, so there will be a bond pair there and this electron pair repulsion, and this hydrogen, it can be easily lost as a H negative ion. It can be lost as a hydride ion. So you have a carbonyl compound. Now in carbonyl compound, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so it has a partial negative charge. This has a partial positive charge, and you have lithium positive, AlH4 negative. So what will happen? Since from here, this H can be transferred as a H negative ion, so there will be hydride ion transfer, and where this hydride ion will attack, this will be basically a
four carbon.
okay, nucleophilic. किथे अटैक करेगा हाइड्राइड आयन
कार्बन पे
कार्बन दे क्योंकि इतने पॉजिटिव चार्ज है हाइड्राइड आयन दे ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज है so this hydride ion will attack on this carbon this pair of electron they shift to oxygen so this will become RCO negative R prime hydrogen and since this is O negative it will take this lithium plus इससे नाल अटैच हो जाएगा and there will be loss of AlH3 aluminum trihydride. Is it clear up to this point? So you get this tetrahydride
yes sir
intermediate. Now what will happen next? Since aluminum is again a Lewis acid, aluminum की ये Lewis acid, it wants electron. So this negative charge, it will again goes to this aluminium and it will forms a complex OALH3 R prime and hydrogen. Now what will be charge over aluminium in this complex? When it this oxygen ਇਹਦਾ नेगेटिव चार्ज एल्यूमीनियम ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਇਹ ਉਹਦਾ ਬੌਂਡ ਬਣਾ ਲੇਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਐਲੂਮੀਨੀਅਮ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਚਾਰਜ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ
नेगेटिव
आएगा
नेगेटिव
negative so it will become negative and now since again it has a negative charge so again this another hydride ion can transfer and since there are 3 hydrogens are there so this can happen 3 times so 3 another molecules they can join here so it will give all 3 hydride ions to give rise to R C H Cr prime oxygen so now you have a 3 molecules Al negative sorry 4 आएगा sorry is it clear
yes sir
and what do you do in last you do acidic workup you simply add water okay in presence of acid so this oxygen aluminum bond will break and you will get corresponding alcohol plus aluminium hydroxide and ਇੱਥੇ lithium plus ਸੀਗਾ that will also lost as a lithium hydroxide so same mechanism will be repeated for sodium borohydride in sodium borohydride you have NaBH4 that means Na positive BH4 negative so here instead of lithium you have a sodium and here you have a BH4 and so here will be BH3 and here you have B negative, and instead of aluminium hydroxide there will be a boron hydroxide that will be lost. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is a reduction mechanism of sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride of the carbonyl compound, that's aldehyde and ketone. So please go through this, and if you have any question, you can ask. In the meantime, I am taking your attendance.